Hello and welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make pie and donut charts using sheet features in Canva. So for this, you have to first click on the Sheets tab, which you can see from the bottom left hand corner of my mobile screen. Just click on Sheets tab. So after clicking on the Sheets tab, a workbook will open up. Then you have to just click on the cell, any of the cell. Then you can see in the bottom part action button is there, so click on it. Then you have to click on magic charts. Then you have to click on the chart library. Then you can see multiple chart options are there. I have already explained the bar charts and the line charts in my previous video, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and visit them. So in my today's video, I will be showing you the pie and donut charts. So first let me show you how to create a pie chart. So just click on the pie chart options. As you can see, after clicking on the pie charts option, a pie chart is displayed in my workbook. After clicking on the pie charts option, a pie chart will be displayed in your workbook. After the pie chart is displayed on a workbook, you can see many options have arrived in the bottom of the mobile screen. So first, to edit the data, you have to go to the edit option, which is visible in the bottom left hand corner of the mobile screen. Just click on it. After clicking on the edit option, you can see two tabs have appeared. One is the data tab and another is the customize tab. In the data tab, all the data regarding the pie chart is there. You can edit the data from here. First is the ABC column and the second is the 1 2 3 column. The ABC column is the sales, finance, marketing and HR. This is basically a example chart to show you how pie chart is created. It is by default given in Canva. And the second is the 1 2 3 column. So ABC column includes all the characters data, and the 1 2 3 column is the numeric data. So sales 110, finance 50, marketing 30, HR 10. So just drag downwards, you can see many options have arrived. One is the import data. You can import your data if you have created in Microsoft Excel or anywhere in any other software. You can just import the data here. The second is the transpose option. You can see two arrows are there. One is the vertical and another is the horizontal. And next is the delete option. Transpose option basically does is it converts all the rows into columns and columns into rows. So there are basically two columns are there. If I click on the transpose option, the columns will be converted into rows. Next comes the labels chart setup. Labels means in the x-axis what what is going to be displayed. So in the x-axis the team names will be displayed, for example marketing, HR, sales, finance. And in the next is the segments, what values to show. It means marketing 15%, HR 5%, sales 55%, finance 25%. Basically the numeric data will be displayed. Next comes the aggregate data option. In the aggregate data option, you can see you can do sum, average, you can count the data, you can do maximum, minimum calculation and median, all statistical calculations, basic you can do using the aggregate data option. Now we will see the customize tab. Just click on the customize tab option. In this tab, you are basically going to see all the editing options. For example, the text option, the legend means the name of the pie chart, what color indicates what. For example, if I just on this one, see in the above the pie chart you are seeing now the color is displayed. Blue color means sales, violet finance, orange marketing, yellow HR. Format values as percentage. What type of value we are going to display in the pie chart? Either percentages or numbers. See, if I click on numbers, See, marketing 30, HR 10, sales 110. Percentage symbol is removed. So I'll keep it to percentage. You can add a title to your chart. You can add a subtitle to your chart also. You can add a source text. You can link anything from external websites. Link you can give in, include in your pie chart. Next comes settings. In the settings option, you will get tool tips. This is basically nothing, and filters. You can filter your data, which to show, which what color to show for which data and all. Remove, you can also remove your filter. Next, after editing option, next comes the color option. See, first white color is the color of the pie chart background. Blue color is for the first data, that is the sales. Violet color is for finance. Orange is for marketing. Yellow is for HR. You can change all the colors. Then comes padding, font. These are basically the formatting options. Text styles, font size, color of the font, formatting, transparency of the text, layers, position. You can position your chart anywhere. Nudge, you can move it left, right, up, down. Then comes three dot options, more. In the more option, you can copy the chart, copy style, paste, duplicate the chart, and delete the chart. You can select multiple charts at one time. You can add a comment. You can lock your chart. You can lock only the position of your chart. You can link anything external websites. You can add an alternative text. You can download the selected chart portion. You can translate the text of the chart also in various languages. So this was all about how to make a pie chart in Canva. In my next video, I will be showing you how to make a donut chart. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please do it if you like my video. Thank you.